Why is oil important? Oil helps to lubricate all the moving parts in the engine to avoid metal-on-metal contact. Running an engine without oil can cause significant damage. For example, here's two pieces of metal. Hear the noise when they rub together. It sounds like two pieces of metal rubbing together, but now we add a little bit of oil. Smooth, nice and smooth. No more noise. I can show you pouring scale on this engine right here. So here's the motor I'm going to be showing you on how the oil flows through the engine. So let me go ahead and break it down for you. So first, let's start from the top. What happens when you pour the oil? Taking off the oil cap, putting on the oil funnel, pouring a bit of oil. As you pour the oil into the engine, it all collects down here in the oil pan. Now this is the same place that the dipstick goes into. When checking how much oil you have, you're checking how much oil is in the pan. Now inside the pan is an oil pump. The oil pump is driven by the engine. This one happens to be chain driven. The oil pump sits in here and has a strainer attached to it so that the pump can pick up the oil. Next, we have our oil filter. When doing an oil change, this is the part that we're actually going to be changing out. The oil filter helps to filter out unwanted particles so that you can have safe, clean oil flowing through the engine. So inside the motor, there's a lot of moving components. The oil helps to make sure that these run smoothly and operate as they should. Next, I'm going to take off the head to show you some oil galleries. Alright, so now that the head is removed, you can see how the oil flows through. So inside the motor is oil passages right here on the side with coolant jackets. Coolant flows right here for proper cooling, but the oil is separated. Alright, so next I'm going to show you all the tools you need to do an oil change. First, starting on the tools that are needed to remove the oil filter. Alright, so here's 4 different styles of tools to remove an oil filter. First, we have a band wrench, which is used like this. You put it on here, spin it. Next, we have alligator pliers. You spin it like that. Then we have my favorite one, the claw. I forgot the actual name of it, but the claw. The way you use it is you put it on here and you just twist. So I have it attached to a ratchet, sets off. All you do is just twist it off. The next way is with a oil cup. So this goes down here. This one's actually the wrong size, but that's how it works. If you have the right size, it will fit perfectly, and you just go backwards and it'll come off. Alright, so when draining the oil, you're actually going to be looking for the oil drain plug. Now there are a few different tools you can use to remove the drain plug. Here we have a wrench, a ratchet, and an adjustable wrench. Alright, so after you locate your drain plug, you grab any tool you'd like, really, any tool you have available. Right here's a ratchet. Loosen the drain plug. Same thing can be done with the wrench. Just twist it off. And even an adjustable wrench. All you do is just adjust it to the right size, twist it off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.